Hola, I'm Andres from Wavetable Baking Company. Today we are going to show you how to make a rogel. It's a big alfajor. I hope you like it, and it's very sweet, just like us, so I hope you enjoy it. Flour, butter, milk, eggs, and a little bit of baking powder. So here we go. It has 4 eggs. Egg yolks. And then we're gonna save the egg whites for the meringue. So like the egg yolks, we put the milk, melted butter, the flour, tablespoon of baking powder. So and then we mix it. It has to look like this, yellowish and a little bit sticky, but not that much sticky. Then we're gonna divide these by 8 little balls. So we're gonna let these little balls rest for a while, like half hour, and then we'll come back to it. Here we're gonna do the meringue that is gonna be on top. We're gonna use those egg whites that we had before, and then some almíbar, which is like simple syrup, and we're gonna make the meringue. Once the meringue is done, we're gonna use it later to pipe it on top. So we put a little bit of flour, big circle, bien finito. So then you find something round like this. So then you cut the edges, like just like this, and we'll put it in the oven for about 5 minutes, maybe 350. Once you see bubbles, that's it. So we keep going doing this for a little more. Alright, so take care of the oven. Okay. You see the little bubbles, and that's what we want. Bubbles are good. Alright, so now we have first layer, so this is the first of many. Here we are, we have the second layer. Squeezing like really gently. Keep adding up layers. Try to look it like a cake. So here we are, last layer. Yay. Okay, here we are. So we're gonna apply the meringue. We're gonna make either little things or like big things, whatever you guys like. Ahí está. Voila. Cuteness. Well, thank you so much for looking at this, and I hope you like it. Gracias.